Hi, welcome back. Today, NSE Nifty 50 lost 311 points and closed at 17,006. The market opening for Nifty 50 is negative, gap down with 171 points and advances to declines 45 on unchanged 3. So, almost a bearish outlook today. And Nifty 50 closed at 17,016, down by 311 points. And it got resistance from 17,200, a high of 17,196, and a low of 16,978. 17,000 is acting as a base, strong base. And there were different talks that market may slide further, but I feel the market took the base and is getting stronger at 17,000. So Tuesday market and seems to be up. As the Dow Jones, after closing of Indian markets, it started an up move. Around 11, the lowest point is touched, and the peak is in the morning at 9:25. And from 1 p.m. onwards, it started sliding down. Tried to recover at 2:30, but it slid down. So following the same pattern as the Dow Jones futures. So gainers, top gainers were HCL Tech, Infi, and these. Adani Ports lost by around 6%, Tata Motors around 6%, Hindalco 6%, and all these. Nifty Bank open gap down at 39,027. Got resistance at 39,200, a high of 39,229 and a low of 38,492. Finally closed at 38,616, down by 930 points. All counters were negative. IT sector is on the category rotation. It fared well. It closed at 26,743, up by 151 points. Forge, HCL Tech, Infi, these are the gainers, top gainers. BSE Sensex is moderately down by 329 points, closing at 17,930. Sensex had the resistance from 57,700. So index contribution, the downslide is from Reliance, ICICI, ITC, HDFC, and these others. So Friday Dow Jones futures closed at 29,680 at 3:30 a.m. when the markets opened. The futures trading, it was sliding down till 7 a.m. and picked up a bit and then started sliding down. So when our market started at 9 a.m., so it was around 29,550, and it went down and it dropped down till 29,450. It went down by 100 points at 12:30, and then it gained from 460 to 720, around 300 points, and then it started sliding down. And at 3:30, when our markets closed, it was at 29 426. And then after markets closed, Indian markets closed, it started raising again. We can expect a positive opening for the Dow Jones today, Dow Jones and Nasdaq. Some neutral to positive trade during the day. And Bank Nifty also same. Europe traded negative except this one. And Asia all negative. Nikkei Japan lost by 722 points and our Sensex lost 953 points. So futures are trending positive. Let us see where it will end. And the gold is at 1654 and silver at 18.8. Crude oil is below $80 per barrel. So Russia is doing a new program called mobilization, inviting all the young adults to join the military operation in its program against Ukraine. So that is a worrying factor how far it's going to ramp up its offensive. So let us see whether the storm is coming up for the markets or good days. The dollar index. Don't look for a stock market bottom until soaring dollar cools down. Yeah, that's true. You see the dollar index is at 113. And let us see 5 days data. It's steadily going up. So we need this to be cooled down below 105. So we had some recommendations in J business. 924 call is given for Nifty 17200, buy at 132, and of course this triggered the stop loss but regained this value in some time. So I took this but I didn't set the stop loss. I recovered, I averaged it and I recovered with gains. This is the buy call given at 246 on Tech Mahindra. This is the put call for Reliance 2380 at 23. So I'm not sure if the Reliance is going to slide down or pick up tomorrow. Right now the current rate is 2379. This is the call given at 257. Let us see what's the value now. Call is given at 257. Between 3 and 3:30 it was trading flat and you see the long green candle at the closer, and tomorrow we may expect this market to open gap up at least by 100 points. Trade range bound between 17,000 to 17,250. Another recommendation, this is a good call matching my calculations. Nifty 17100 call at 114. This is given at 323. And Hero Zero trade for Ultratech 6300K call by at 33. So I guess this also will be a hit tomorrow. Right now the SGX Nifty is also trading positive. 3:30 when our markets closed, it was at 1731. It took a small dip and then started increasing. So the market is going to open in another 22 minutes. We will see another review session at the end of the market's closing, 1:30 a.m. IST. Thank you. Thanks for watching.